Greetings, I'm walking to Eli's. That's my house. And that's my mom's car with a golf ball. And we're walking. Or trotting. That's my house still with blue bush. That's the really ugly green house. It looks like a giant mint. And I see it from my backyard. And it still looks like a giant mint. I hope no one heard me say that because, well, they don't like it either, so. Look at trees. We don't have fairyland forest here. We used to, but they turned it into a highway. Just over there. And you can see it. You probably can. Those right there, those are real bears. Real bear. And this is the way I go to Eli's. Ooh, fuzzy thing. Nobody here actually cares about their grass. So that's why it's like that. Car. Something touched me. I don't know what it was, but it touched my arm. It's like ran. It's probably a cougar. I love this fence a lot. There's a guy back there, I bet he's staring at me. There's a sign, there's a sign. It's a bear, there's a bear over there. Another real bear. There's a car coming. I think a butterfly just caught on fire. Not joking. We're almost to Eli's house. Well, not really. Close, kind of a bit. She's probably across the street by now. The car coming. Eli's house is in here. Too many people that can be a dirt. There's over there. Let's awkwardly record them. So it looks is this? Wow. Eli's house. Hi, Eli's house. Come inside. Ah. There's Danielle. Hi, Danielle. And Eli.
I told her she was outside.
Hi, Travis.
Hi.
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 Hi, Eli. You look very cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm making a video for Mace. Say hi. She's wearing a Lady Gaga shirt.
Yeah.
Gaga.